So welcome back to QuickPixel, and today we are making a neon circular portrait effect for this video, so let's get into it. Alright, so first I will be making a canvas that is 720p and I will just create it and I will import my image. So if you want to use the same image I am using, the link will be in the description. So this video was made for beginners, but if you would like to see advanced tutorial on neon effects, do let me know in the comment section. So the first step you gotta do is to remove the background. So I'm gonna use the select subject method to remove the background. So I'll just click on this magic wand and select subject. So after the selection has been made, I'm gonna click on this layer mask that will remove this background. It is not very accurate, but it will work for me. So I'm gonna change the background to a black. So I'll just fill this background layer with the black color. So first of all, just click on this ellipse tool and make an ellipse. I'm gonna change it to a transparent color and add a white stroke. I'll increase the stroke size a bit. Something like this will be fine. So I'm gonna place it in the middle like that. I'm gonna increase the size as well. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. Now just go to effects and outer glow. Change the color to a red and maybe decrease the range a bit and increase the size a bit, and you can increase the opacity a bit. Hit OK once you're done. Now click on the subject layer and press Ctrl and J on your keyboard. That will duplicate this. Now press Ctrl and U on your keyboard. That will open the hue saturation. If you want, you can open hue saturation from here as well. Now select colorize and increase the saturation a bit. Hit OK once you're done. So just click on the subject layer again, hit Ctrl J again and put this above the hue saturation layer. Press Ctrl or Command U on your keyboard again and it will open the hue saturation as well. Select colorize and increase the saturation, increase the lightness. Hit OK and change the blending options to linear. Now click on this mask and fill it with a black color. So I'm gonna fill it with a black color. So just now hold Ctrl or Command on your keyboard and click on this layer mask. So it will make a selection like that. So now we have to paint the rim lights. So just zoom in and select the brush and make sure to choose a white brush and lower the opacity to 50% and flow to around 50% works fine. I'm gonna reduce the size like that and I'll change it to a soft round brush with 0% hardness on it. And I'll just start painting like that. So this is fine for me, but if you like, you can change the colors as well by pressing Ctrl and U on your keyboard and just changing it from here. So I'm gonna keep it to a red like that, increase the saturation a bit, and you can play with the lightness as well. I'm gonna keep it to something like here. So hit OK once you're done. Hold Ctrl or Command and just click on this layer mask again. So it will make a selection again, make a new layer and select this brush tool. Choose a red color for this and make it a bit bigger like that. So the size is 475. So I'm gonna click it right here, right here, right here. And just do something like this. And change the blending options to overlay. So it will implement a nice red hue on your image. Now as for the final step, make a new layer and reduce the brush size a bit like that. And just paint over the neon circle that we made. Set the blending options to screen. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.